Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing the new Asos beauty box, and this is the Here Comes the Bride edit. There's 6 items inside, it costs £20 and it has a value of £55. If you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. Excuse me filming in a different location. I'm literally downstairs. This is all natural lighting, so I won't know until I'm editing this video how clear I will be. For the last week I've been sorting out my bedroom where I normally film, so I thought, oh stuff it, I want to show you this box. So I'll bring my camera downstairs and I'll do it here. But yeah, I'll be back to normal up there very soon. So yeah, so let's get on to open it then. It's super light, it doesn't feel like there's anything in it. But obviously there's 6 items, so I haven't had a look yet. The last time I opened an Asos beauty box, I had a shock of my life as I found lots of broken glass. It was all rectified. I got in touch with Asos on the online chat. I spoke to a person and I had to show the photos of my box with the broken glass and things, and yeah, they refunded me, which was really good. So no problems there, but obviously it was a bit of a pain. So anyway, we have got a little card here, and it just tells you a little bit about the box. It says, May marks the start of wedding season, so we had to bring you a face and body box filled with goodies for the big occasions. Whether you're the bride-to-be, part of the bridal party, or you're playing the role of best dressed guest, you'll definitely want to say I do to these versatile picks. Or unless you're like me, haven't got a wedding in sight and you just love beauty. And then it goes on to telling you about the products, just a little bit. We'll have a sneak peek. Yeah, there's definitely products in the box, just doesn't feel like there is. Starting off with brows. Need a product that helps keep hair in place till the end of the night? Enter the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. The dual-sided wand will help tame, shape and lock in place even the unruliest of brows. Now I've tried this numerous times. I've got a few upstairs in my beauty kit. Yeah, it's a staple. It is really good. So this is a little mini, and it's really hard holding as well. So this is definitely one I would recommend to anyone that was on a lookout for a brow gel. So there's that. Next up, we've got an eyeshadow palette, and one of the main reasons I wanted this box. Thanks to the geniuses over at Huda Beauty, we've got the perfect palette to pop into your clutch. These super pigmented shades are designed for a warm summer look. So this is a micro mini GloWish by Huda Beauty natural eyeshadow palette. And yeah, this is really small. How come I've never seen these before? I've got quite a few Huda Beauty palettes. But yeah, this is my very first mini one. The colours are nice, I really like them. See, let's give you a bit of a swatch. Always buttery smooth. So nice. Yeah, really, really pretty. So we've got GloWish, a little mini eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. Top off your eyeshadow look with Lash of Honour Fake Lashes by Tatti Lashes for a classic cat eye. And this is the wedding collection. I'll take them out the box because you might not be able to see due to the reflection. They look beautiful actually. They look really, really pretty. They're not too wide either, which I can't stand. I'm not wearing a lot of makeup today. I've literally got like a tinted moisturiser SPF cream on my face. I went to Portugal last weekend, last minute thing with my friend. We go away once or twice a year just for a weekend away, as it was like bank holiday weekend. And my younger son wasn't in school on Friday, he had inset day, so we thought, oh, we'd go Friday to Monday. We had 2 full days in Lisbon. I started putting up little reels and photos on both my Instagram pages. If you're not, oh, glue gone. If you're not already following me there, I'm Diaryofabeautygeek, where I posted up a few little things, but my main travel stuff goes on to another page called Claire Goes Where. You'll find it listed down below in my description. So yeah, some funny photos I posted up on my beauty page. Anyway, we went to an attraction called Floating Me. So you sit on some railings and you position, and the way you position yourself looks like you're floating down the street. It sounds bonkers, but yeah, we had a lot of fun. So what was I talking about anyway? What? Gone off on a tangent now. Oh, my face. Yeah, since I came back Monday night, I haven't been able to wear makeup. My eyes have gone really puffy. They don't look too bad. Oh my God, my face doesn't look great up close, I know. But they're quite sore and puffy. And I don't know why. It's never happened before. So I've steered away from a load of makeup. So I don't normally look this bland. bland. This is what I call myself, bland. But anyway, back to the lashes. These are beautiful. I really do like them, but I would probably cut them about there, you know, just to make them more 3/4 length. But they're really nice and fluffy. Oh, I love lashes. Yeah, love those. And it came with glue as well. Next up, we've got a product from Revolution. The big day calls for a glow like no other, and Revolution understood the assignment. The super dewy blusher is here to illuminate your cheekbones, cupid bows, and any other high points you want to catch the light. And compliments. There, let's get it out. So this is a liquid blush in shade, what are you? Fortunately Flushed. I always put too much on my hand. Oh, I think this is going to be all right. It's a lot paler than what I thought. Excuse my hand looking a bit mucky. It's fake tan. I've been trying to scrub it off my hands and my arms everywhere. Not doing a good job. Look how pale that is. Let's see how it blends in. To be honest, it's not really noticeable, is it? Even to me, looking here, it's not that noticeable. There's a little bit of a dewy shimmer. Let's try some more. So you can see it, but then when you blend it in, it just leaves like a very, very pale, almost pearlescent sort of look, doesn't it? But it's very, very subtle. That is the subtlest blush I've ever tried, I think. But yeah, that might be good for you if that's what you want. Not really for me. Maybe my daughter will like it. She's got very, very pale skin, so that might be more suitable for her. Next up, we got a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. It says, Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk lipstick is the stuff of legend. Pink is the go-to for the perfect pout. Long-lasting with a nourishing hit to the lips. It's clear to see why this lippy is award-winning. I'm actually wearing it today. Look. That's what it looks like on my lips. I got a little mini from somewhere. It's a little mini. There, just so you can see the colour there. Yeah, it's pretty. And one I'm wearing. Then lastly, we've got a perfume. And it says, for a sensational fragrance that lasts, make Le Parfum Bridal Perfume by Elie Saab the one. Inspired by bridal boutiques, expect floral notes like ylang ylang and gardenia with base notes of amber and musk. Love is in the air. Ooh, let's see if I like it. I am known for saying the first thing that comes to my mind, but I'm cautious on here, obviously, because I'm talking to many of you that I don't know. So I know I'll probably get judged. But I have to tell you, there is an element of wee I can smell, but then it dies down and it's a nice smell. How weird. What is it? What is it? Yeah, I can smell it. And then it goes. So a floral urine mix. The perfume you want on your wedding day. Oh, this is coming from me. I am useless at describing scents. I'm actually useless at picking up scents and stuff as well. So take no notice of me. But yeah, it's quite nice. Once that initial whiff has gone, it is quite nice. Elie Saab, Le Parfum Bridal. So those are all the items in this month's Asos beauty box. It costs £20, it contains 6 beauty products, and it has a value of £55. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm really happy with the eyeshadow palette. I think that's really cool, nice little travel size as well. The lipstick I'll use, although I probably have got quite a few little mini Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipsticks upstairs, but I do wear it. The lashes are stunning. I love them. Perfect little fluttery ones. I love them, so definitely be used. I can't remember what else was in there now. Perfume and the blush, I'll see if my daughter wants it, and the eyebrow gel. I have got a load of them at the moment and nothing wrong with them. I do really like them, but I'll see if she wants that one as well. So not a bad box, but not a huge difference in value. We're used to seeing like £20 boxes with like £70–80 or more value, aren't we? But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this one? Please let me know. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.